We're going to be using these little wooden boxes from the Dollar Tree. We're going to get started. So this little block, I am going to paint this. I'm going to take my pink paint. We're just going to get started. This, just one side of this, because it's going to go in this little box. So I'm going to paint that white. So this is what this little box looks like now. All we're going to do is the bling wrap. I already cut my little pieces. I got all these little pieces of bling wrap. So we're just going to glue these on. So we are looking like this. So we're putting our bling wrap all the way around here. Okay, y'all, so here's our little box all blinged up. I'm going to go ahead and, so these little boxes don't like fall out. I'm taking some of this and just putting it across the front there and adding some glue. All right, so I just finished it off there, just in the front. So we're gonna do the other one just like that, same way. So this is what we look like here. So because, like I said, this little box tends to pop out and it's loose. So all I do is I'm going to put that little piece right around the edges there, and I tend to put a little hot glue in there so it's not going to come out. So yes, this is what the box looks like. Isn't that gorgeous? I just love that. I went to Hobby Lobby and got these letters, y'all, so anyway, this is what this is going to look like. That's our B. We are going to, so yeah, this is what this letter, it's kind of, I don't know, it's chipboard is what that is. It's a chipboard. So this is the color it came in, and so I'm not going to do anything to it. It's kind of a grayish color, so I'm not going to paint it or anything. I'm just going to leave it. I'm just going to leave it. So we're going to put our little Y on there. Well, I just thought that maybe you could put this, you know, display it somewhere at a baby shower, something else to show y'all. Okay, so, you know, you can get just these little letters. I got these, I think, from Hobby Lobby. So I thought, yeah, they're this color, but I painted them all gray. And I did spell out the baby. So, you know, you can get these little frames just anywhere. So I'm going again with my rose gold, and I'm just going to place this in here. So I'm just merely going to glue that in there. So that's how that's looking, and we are just going to glue these letters, and I spelt out baby. So I'm going to glue these in. What we're looking like so far, and that glue will dry. So all right, so I'm going with this little, look how cute this little ribbon is. I got that from Hobby Lobby. So I'm just gonna add this little ribbon. Y'all, how cute is this ribbon? I love this ribbon. So cute. I love it. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, up here on the top, I wanna make a little bow with this silver bling. And look how much you get, y'all. I mean, tons. So this is the silver. And I just cut me a little strip like this, and I'm just gonna make just a little bow with this, and I cut me just a little strip of this because I'm going to put this over in the middle where I'm pinching it, and I'm gonna glue that. So we have a little bow like this. I'm going to put this here, then look what we're going to be using. This little rose gold bow. Isn't that pretty? This is the rose gold. Okay, so I'm just going to glue this on here, and then I'm putting that on top of that. We'll see if that stays. If not, you can use E6000. You know, I think this would even look good with some in the front. This is what we look like so far. And our little bow there. So what I was thinking, y'all, is, you know, these little clippy things that you can get anywhere. Take a Totally Dazzled. I'm gonna put this one on there. How sweet is that one? And just bling it up. Just bling it up. And I thought about putting it in here, and like I said, you could put the maybe the sonogram picture, or I don't know, or when you get a baby picture, you'll get the gist of it. So that's what that looks like. Oh, and then I thought about putting this little flower over here. How sweet is that?
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.